I want to ask you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, on every single count, this election is going to be important, whether it is about corruption or it is about appeasement versus the will of the people to follow their own religion, not subject to interference of the state. I want to ask you, where is this election headed?
Yeah, good evening, Navika. You know, this old trope of Modi being communal just doesn't wash anymore. If you really want to know who is communal, Modi or Mamata, here are the facts. Truth is, Modi as Prime Minister has done more for Muslims than he has for Hindus. Let me elaborate. Has he taken control of mosques like he has of Hindu temples? No. Has he allowed Muslim women to continue to suffer the barbaric triple talaq? No. Has he disbanded the scholarships to Muslim students? No. In fact, he has given scholarships to more Muslims than Manmohan Singh did, 2.37 crore versus 2.33 crores. Has he overturned the SC Sabrimala judgment to placate Hindus like the Shah Bano judgment was overturned by the Congress to placate Muslims? No. Has he reduced AMU funding? No. In fact, he has increased AMU funding, including a 90 crore topping up. Has he, who condemned lynching of Muslims at the hands of Hindus, condemned lynching of Hindus, Dalits and non-Dalits at the hands of Muslims or those of Palghar Sadhus? No. Has he abrogated the Places of Worship Act to allow Hindus to legally fight and take control of Kashi and Mathura, their holiest of places, cruelly demolished by a barbarian? No. Has he, like Dr. Ambedkar did, said that Islam can never allow a true Muslim to adopt India as his motherland and regard a Hindu as his kith and kin? No. Has he brought in the UCC? No. Has he repealed the anti-Hindu RTE? No. Let us look at Mamata now. Did she change Ram Dhenu to Wrong Dhenu? Yes. Did she say Batla encounter was fake? Yes. Did she oppose CAA that brought relief to persecuted Hindus? Yes. Did she appoint a Muslim to Tarkeshwar Temple Board? Yes. Did she provide midday meal dining hall for only those schools having 70% or more minority students? Yes. Did she curtail the time duration traditionally permitted for Durga idol immersion to make way for Muharram procession? Yes. Did she grant 2.6 crores of taxpayers' money to Furfura Sharif? Yes. Did she promise to give land to imams for construction of houses? Yes. Did she pay more than 30,000 imams, 2,500 per month, and over 15,000 muezzin, 1,500 per month? Yes. So who is communal? Didi or Dada? যাদের নিজের বাড়ি কাঁচ দিয়ে তৈরি তাদের অন্য দিকে পাথর ছোড়া উচিত না নবিকা
এ বাবা আপনিও বাংলা বলছেন আপনি মাদ্রাসি আপনি তামিল ব্রাহ্মণ না আপনি বাংলা